What's up guys, my name is Jay, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add some icons to your WordPress menu. So as you can see, I have here my main menu, but it's a little bit boring. I want to add some icons here, you know. I'm using the plugin named Menu Icons. It's a free plugin, so I'm gonna post the link on the description so you can go there and download the plugin. Now I'm gonna go to my dashboard, and as you can see, we don't have any new tab after you install that plugin. So don't get confused. You will not find a new tab here. But let's go to Appearance and let's go to Menus. Scroll down a little bit. And in here, you will see a new tab named Menu Icons Settings. Click there. And you will see that we have a couple options. We have icon types here, and we have selected the dash icons, which are the icons from WordPress. But we have more options. Font Awesome is my favorite, so I'm gonna enable that one. And we're gonna go down here and we have image and we have SVG, which we can add our own icons. All right, so that's very handy. So I'm gonna enable image and SVG because I wanna show you how you can add them. And now I'm gonna save the settings. All right, and now let's say that I want to add an icon to home. So I'm gonna click here. And you can see that we have a new thing here, the icon, and we have a button that says select. So I'm gonna click on select. And you can see here that we have, these are the dash icons. You can scroll down, you can search by category, or you can just search for whatever you want. All right, so let's see home, this one right here. You will have some options like hide label, the position, before or after. It's gonna be in middle, the top, and the size of the font. Right, so I'm gonna click select, and you will have a preview here of the icon, and I'm gonna click save menu because I'm happy with that. And let's see how it looks. Let's reload here. Look at that. Now we have a cool icon. Now let's add one to the shop, and this time I'm gonna add an image. Right, so let's go back to menus. Let's go to shop, select the icon. Let's see, let's click on image here. And as you can see here, I have here, maybe you can't see it, but I have here a little icon, a white icon here. I think this is like 20 pixels by 20 pixels, something like that. So keep that in mind, because if you're adding an image, it needs to be on the correct size. And the same settings, position, the label and everything. I'm gonna click select. All right, I'm happy with that. Save menu. Let's see how it looks. And there you go. As you can see, it looks a little bit pixelated right there. But it's because I have a zoom here so you guys can see everything better, but I can zoom out to 100% right here. And you can see it looks good. It doesn't look bad. Maybe with a little bit of CSS, you can actually center this a little bit, or control the margin, because I can see it's a little bit, off here. I'm gonna zoom in again. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna use now an SVG image. So let's click on About, Icon, Select. Let's go to SVG. All right, so I have here this SVG image, which I created using Adobe Illustrator. So if you're a designer, you can create your own icons and then save it to SVG. If you're confused about this SVG thing, I'm not gonna talk about it on this video, but I will create another whole video only about SVG, how you can export an SVG from Illustrator and use it as icons, as logos and stuff like that. All right, so let's go back. I have here my SVG. I'm gonna select it. You have here the same options and the width of the SVG and everything. You can change it, and I'm just gonna click select. All right, click save menu. Let's see how it looks. Look at that, beautiful and crisp. Now look at the difference between an SVG image and a JPEG or a PNG image. Now let's add one to contact. So let's go to contact, and this time I'm gonna use font awesome. So let's go to font awesome here, and you can see we have some cool font awesome icons here to choose. And you can search. Let's say they have an envelope. All right, perfect envelope. Let's use this one. Okay, same thing. Select. Let's save menu. Let's reload here. And look at that. We have the icon right there. Now let's play a little bit with the position. So let's say that home, let's remove and let's select again. Let's go home. Let's say position vertical align. Let's say position after vertical align to the top. I don't know. So as you can see, we kind of changed the position here a little bit. I'm just choosing the middle. All right, select, save menu. Let's reload. All right, now the icon is on the right, so you can do that too. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clear all this out. Let's remove all the icons. Oops, sorry, I have no icons here. Remove this one, remove this one. Fresh start. Let's reload. All right, fresh start. Now, I'm gonna add an icon, and I'm gonna add some CSS, very basic CSS to my theme, because I want the icon to be on the top, right here, above the label. But we don't have the option, the plugin doesn't give us the option to do it. So let's save this. Let's see. All right, it's right there. Now I'm gonna go to my theme options. You don't have to do this. You can go to your CSS and add this code. But I have the option here, so for this video I'm gonna add it just here. All right. So in here I have custom CSS. I'm gonna paste some code here, the very simple code, which I'm gonna post a link on the description so you can get the code and play with it, save changes. All right, let's see. Perfect. That's all I want. All right. So as you can see, with some CSS, you can do whatever you want with those icons, change sizes, position. You can position the icon. Maybe you can even add some animations to your menu. Maybe on hover, this house can open a door or something like that. Sounds good. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you have questions, comment below. If you get stuck at some point adding these icons or something weird happen, just leave me a comment. I will help you. And thank you so much for watching this video. I see you next week because I'm uploading one video every week. Okay, so if you want to keep learning, subscribe, and I see you next week. Bye.